Hi everyone, my name is Dimas Adriansyah, and today I will talk about the similarities and differences in work culture between Indonesia and United Arab Emirates as a DevOps engineer. I will also talk about some potential intercultural miscommunication in the workplace. Let's start with the similarities. For the number one is focus on digital transformation. Both countries are heavily investing in digital transformation with governments funding initiatives that stimulate the tech industry, including smart city in the UAE and the digital economy in Indonesia. And for the number two is challenging. DevOps engineers in both countries can face challenge due, due to rapid change in technology, the requirement of enrichment in technology skills and adapting to the local market. And for the last one is growing tech industry. Both countries are seeing development in their IT sector. There is more and more need for software engineer. Usage of this specialist is driven by digital transformation, innovation, and ceremonial modernization of infrastructure. And now let's talk about differences. For the number one is work culture. In the UAE, the working environment at the company is more homogeneous due to the presence of both local and expatriates. The work culture can be fast-paced and sometimes challenging with long working hours, in particular private company. Work culture in Indonesia is usually more laid back and participative. The hierarchical structure is well maintained, and there appears to be a greater sense of commitment to join work and the community in the company. On the other hand, work-life balance could be quite different from one company to another. And for the number two is salary and benefit. Salaries in the UAE are usually higher. The company give employees tax-free informed company income on such property benefit allowance and housing allowance and health insurance as well as annual flex back home are some of the benefits that the employee enjoy. Salaries in Indonesia are lower compared to the UAE and benefits vary by company. However, the cost of living is also generally lower in Indonesia. And for the last one is job opportunities. In the United Arab Emirates, there are various options of employment opportunities in international corporations, startup companies, and government projects as they make a deliberate effort to develop innovation. In Indonesia, the job market is getting bigger, particularly in the tech startup industry and startup firms that are operating in the home market. The nation's digital economy has been growing, resulting in greater software engineer demand. And the last thing is intercultural communication. To communicate effectively between Indonesia and the UAE, it's essential to understand and value relationship and hierarchy. So building trust and showing respect to senior figures is crucial. Communication in both culture tends to be indirect. So being diplomatic and attentive to non-verbal cues is important. While English is widely used in business, understanding local languages and customs such as modest dressing and respecting religious practice enhance rapport. Patience with time, flexibility, and a focus on relationship building will lead to more successful interaction in both settings. That's all from me. I appreciate your time, and I hope this presentation has been informative. Thank you for watching.